guys, welcome back to the channel. Day 2, tearing down the engine. Derek's here.
How's it going, guys?
We're going to start by, I think we're going to take off the coil packs off the valve covers.
Yeah, get all the rest of the wiring off.
Yeah.
Take the coil packs off and hopefully get the valve covers taken off. See how far we get tonight.
Yeah, that's the plan. I think, it'd be nice to get the valve covers off, and I mean, if it keeps going and it goes smoothly, maybe we can pull the heads and take a look at those pistons and the bottom side of the heads today, but we'll see how she goes. All right, let's get started.
It's like opening a present on Christmas morning.
Kinda.
But like...
Could be a lump of coal.
Probably not.
Could be a lump of coal.
Probably not something I want to see, but...
Well, who knows? Maybe this will look better than...
Our luck would be
you take runner's look, I don't know.
Our luck would be a family of mice living in here.
Yeah, maybe, but those are extra horsepower, I suppose. Or mouse power.
Mouse power.
Yeah. Those little legs running to keep our valves well lubricated.
Yeah.
We got valve mice.
Valve mice. That's like running out of blanker fluid.
Yeah. You got valve mice.
You get valve mice.
I'm gonna go.
She's all over. Yes, we do think you got valve mice.
Valve mice. I think we got valve mice. Doesn't look good.
Alright.
Whole family of them. Dude, you should be able to. I think we'll have to get something to crack that thing off, maybe.
Yeah. Fat kid. No, it's gonna come out.
Okay, dokie.
Cue the Indiana Jones theme song.
Okay, it's what we expected, I think. It doesn't look terrible.
Not terrible.
It doesn't look terrible, not gonna lie. It does look like it's gone without an oil change for some time. Like this engine got run right to the end of its life.
Yeah, there's a lot of burnt oil on. Wow.
Yep. Yeah, she's pretty messy.
Yep.
But I think that's what we expected, right?
Yep.
So, all right, well, on to the next side then. So what do we got here, Derek?
Yeah, it looks about the same as the others.
About the same, nothing, no broken pieces.
No pieces, no shininess.
That's well, shiny's not.
Yeah.
They're all there. That's good. Let's see underneath the. Just as cooked as the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we got our work ahead of us. Okay. What's next?
We'll try and get the
Let's take the headers off.
headers off.
Okay. That's next.
Mike's engine builder. There's a guy in Windsor with an engine dyno.
In Windsor?
In Windsor, yeah.
Is it all-wheel drive?
No, like just for he'll dyno
just
the
the
motor.
engine.
Yeah,
Oh,
like just the engine, yeah. So they can tune it that way.
That's a good
Out of the
idea.
car, yeah. Like we don't have to have it in the car to get it tuned. It's probably there's a lot more places around that have. I think even RM's got
Probably
it.
cheaper. It's probably cheaper to have the engine brought in there than the whole. I don't know.
All you do, the engine goes in on a stand. They hook everything up to it.
You got that side done?
I got one more bolt come off.
Okay. check out those plugs. Starting with the back here, the driver's side. This is like exploratory surgery on a dead body. What does she look like?
Not bad.
Yeah, a little dirty.
A little dirty, but. And GKs.
Hold it up real close. Yeah,
Quite
no, yeah, it's dirty, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Just like that's the story of this dirty girl.
Yeah.
She's just dirty. That's all. She just needs to be cleaned up, freshened up. So far.
Yeah, so far.
So far. We haven't got too deep in here.
Yeah.
I think I might be jumping the gun a little.
Same. They have definitely seen better days. So. Jeez. Among other things. Yeah, same story.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Dirty.
Just shut off.
Freshen her up a bit. This one looks a little bit better.
Bosch Platinum in the Camaro. That was a waste of money.
I was just gonna say that. I thought those were a waste of money.
They're a waste of money.
I put those in my car too, and they were a waste.
Well, there we go. All 8 plugs out.
Yeah, all 8 plugs, all dirty, but not smashed, not burnt, not showing any signs of anything other than just wear and tear, which is fine, which we're fine with, I think.
Yeah.
So, yeah. What's next? All right, guys, let me show you what we're looking at here. Whew, that is a boiled pile of crap right there. Holy cow. Whew. That is dirty. But doesn't appear to be anything catastrophic, so
far so good.
So far so good. Next side. What do we got? What's the diagnosis? You know, things considered. As old as it is. Alright. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching us take off the heads and the top end of the motor. And we're probably going to get into the bottom end on the next episode here.
Yep.
But something special, you can see we're obviously dressed in different clothes.
Yeah, going for a drive today. Justin spotted a chassis on the way home the other day. Hopefully something promising. You know, drive by, kind of quick look, but we're going to go take a quick look at it today and see you guys there.
Yeah, and you know, we'll keep you guys updated on how things are going. Please remember to like and subscribe and share and push that little button in the bottom right hand corner for the notifications, and you guys get alerted every time we upload so you don't miss one episode. So yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed. Join us next time when you find out how fast we can make this car go.